What happens when the police put a restraining order against you? Hi, my name is Jay Hait. I'm an American-Israeli attorney with offices in Tel Aviv, Haifa, and Jerusalem. So you're in the middle of a divorce, or you're just in the middle of a fight with your spouse, and somebody calls the police come, and they put a restraining order against you. What does it mean, and what happens now? Well, first of all, you should understand that in Israel, due to a series of slayings of wives in the last couple of years, one of the first things that the police do as standard operating procedure is to separate the couple by giving one of them a restraining order. What is the restraining order? Well, it's an order that says that you're not allowed to go near your spouse, a lot of times not near your home, not near your children, and sometimes even not near your spouse's place of work or within a certain amount of distance, like 100 yards or 200 yards from your spouse. In any case, the police then send this to the prosecutor's office, and the prosecutor decides whether or not they're going to prosecute the case. But even before that, what you should be doing is you should be going and making a motion challenging the restraining order. If you think that there was no reason for a restraining order, you're not violent, there was no violence involved, your spouse made up false claims, well, then you should be making a motion to get rid of and to quash that restraining order right then. And if you do win, then that's going to help, because the prosecutor isn't going to be able to continue his case if the restraining order is squashed earlier on. Well, what happens if the prosecutor does decide to prosecute? In that case, you're going to be assigned a date in front of a judge, and you're going to have a hearing. It's very important for you to be there, because if you don't go, they can get a default judgment against you, and you have to go to that hearing and make the same claims that you made when we were trying to quash the restraining order. There is no proof of violence, etc., and usually at that point, the case will either be dismissed or some type of fine will be given, and you will sign something that will expunge any record, if there was any record. Why is this important to you? Well, because a lot of people who are going through marital problems or going through divorce panic when they get hit with a restraining order. And really, it's not something you should be panicking about. You should understand what it is, how to address it, and take care of the problem like we would take care of any other problems. And that's what I and my office do. We take care of people's problems related to family law issues. So if you have a problem or someone you know has a problem, pick up the phone and call us. My US number is 201-696-3947. My Israel number is 077-200-8161. And on the screen in front of you appear both my personal email address and my internet site. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.